Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 300 amp 0 to 24 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This is air cooled, dimensions 34 inches length, 18 inches width, 30 inches high. It has been tested, checked out. We'll get that going for you in a second. It's wired for 440 volts, 3-phase, total weight 330 pounds. As you can see, it is remote controlled. We'll get that going for you right now. Bring you guys over to the O-scope. As you can see, the remote does control the volts and amps right there. It's a quiet running unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.